So today we are going to make pretzel maki, um, which involves a half sheet of nori, some pretzels. I'm using stale pretzels, but fresh pretzels will work just as well. And a secret ingredient. It's an eggplant spread. I don't particularly like this one, but it's miraculous how all these ingredients end up coming together. It's pretty easy to make. Put the pretzels right on the nori, and I recommend 2 layers, but that's probably enough. Then you open up the jar. Perhaps do that before you hit play on the video. And you do a dollop of this. So it's red pepper and eggplant. And then you have to roll it up. Well, you might want to, there's different ways to do this. Perhaps you can consult a maki video how to do that. Okay, so there you have it, pretzel maki. Let's give it a try. It's not that great.